Oh man, we are in the thick of the storm up here, high elevation. Took the tram up. Woo! Oh. Oh, hard to see. Snow is good. Quick turns. Okay, some new territory, new terrain. Snow looks good. Kind of just got to stay left from what I've seen. Oh, is that deep? Oh, that is good. Phew, phew. Oh yeah, boys. What are we working with here? Oh God. Look how fantastic this is. Man. Is that beautiful? Skiing or what? Oh, that is so good. Man, look at that. That is so beautiful. Dude, look at these conditions. All right, now we're into the trees, baby. That was all new terrain. That was a little scary. We're not out of it. Look at Jackson Hole, baby. Oh, is that a beautiful resort? Woo! Man, that is some good snow. So, we're kind of figuring our way out. Stay with the tracks. Oh, that is phenomenal. Okay, where are we going? Please lead me out somewhere. Oh. What do we got here? All right, I see tracks that way. We're going that way. One. Woo! A little furby and rocky out there. Gotta be careful. Hazards exist. Man, what a run this has been. I've enjoyed this. I think I'm gonna go into the trees, cut across. Oh, boys. This looks promising. More tracks looks better than just one. Oh, okay. Just continuing down, following where everyone else is gone. No, I gotta stay. Skiers left. Whew.